ingredients are 1.5 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of curd, 1/4 cup of ghee, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of water, and finally 1 cup of sugar. In a bowl, add flour, some sugar and some baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together, and then we're going to add the ghee. And then I'm going to use my hands to mix the ghee with the dry ingredients. Now we're going to add the curd. Add a little bit of water to get a perfect dough ball. Your dough should be looking like this. Now we're going to cover the dough with a wet towel and rest for about 1 hour. Now we're going to make sugar syrup with sugar and water. Mix until it becomes a syrup. Your sugar syrup should be looking like this. Now from the dough we made earlier, take a ball and make it as a circle shape with a hole. It's time for some frying action. You can take it out once it becomes a nice golden brown color. Now add the fried dough balls into the syrup and presto! Your Badusha is ready.